The LED industrial luminaire INROLED 50 Ecolab suitable for hygiene-sensitive areas. Fast and easy electrical connection via an M12 connector. The luminaire is manufactured in Germany and impresses with its high quality, high luminous intensity without UV and IR components. Available in 3 lengths with a diameter of 50 mm. The housing is made of 4 mm thick splinter-free polycarbonate with sealed end caps. The connector is potted in the housing and ensures a high degree of tightness. The luminaire has a very high degree of protection and is resistant to acids and alkaline solutions. Made of FDA-compliant materials to be used in the food industry. It is also resistant to hydrogen peroxide. Permissible ambient temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius.